Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog, or welcome for the first time if you're here for the first time. Usually I don't start off my vlogs like this, but I actually cut last week's vlog into two different vlogs. I got a little bit confused with where one vlog starts and where one ends. So as you saw, I didn't end last vlog, I didn't start this vlog, I didn't really end this vlog either. Everything's very confusing. I'm working on it, I'm trying to do better with it, but the problem is, as I said, I've been working so much at my day job that I just haven't been vlogging a lot, so there just hasn't been a lot of content for me to vlog. But this was a really fun shoot that I did with B-Sun Photography. I posted on Instagram that I got this magikarp overalls, which are just amazing, and we were already planning to do a shoot, but he saw them and he was like, we have to shoot this, we have to do a beach shoot, and it was just so much fun, so I hope you enjoy. I'm really happy to be getting to work with some photographers who I haven't gotten to work with in such a long time because of the pandemic, so that's been really great. And I hope you enjoy all the new content that we're making.
Got it? Okay, so I'm gonna go over here. Oh my god. It stayed.
Yay!
Probably got a really cool shot though. Look.
Anything for the shot.
So this, and then that.
I love that. I love the candid, it was always the best.
Yeah. I think it's okay actually. Yeah, it didn't usually come that high.
Yeah. I figured
I thought it was safe.
Even if it did, it'd be under it. I just didn't want it to topple over.
And your phone's waterproof, right?
No. I was thinking, I wonder what the apple tail is for ocean.
I dropped it in the pool, yeah. Cool. Chris, watch
I guess the tide is changing.
Yeah, it's getting a little higher.
Yeah.
Did you want to shoot some more or do you want to call it?
Okay, so I didn't shoot an intro, but here I am on the beach. Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Brian at B-Sun Photography, and this is my wife, Christina. Hi!
They're amazing, and we just shot this magikarp outfit, which is my new favorite outfit, and I'm so excited. He reached out, he's like, we have to shoot the magikarp.
So cool, did you see it? It flips out.
It flips it inside out, and there's a Gyarados on the inside. It's amazing. But yeah, here we are. I got lost on the way here, but we made it.
And she found us, and we found her.
So, just got back from my shoot. Sorry I did not film an intro. I was so late. So what happened was that he actually sent me the wrong address, but I didn't realize till I got there. It was only a couple miles down the road, but I was just really confused because I was like, this does not seem right. And then from there, my GPS just didn't want to find the right address. Once it had the right address, it just didn't want to bring me here. So yeah, we didn't have too much time to shoot, but we did get golden hour, which is really what we wanted. So I know the pictures are going to turn out amazing. We got golden hour and I'm so excited for them, and it was just really great to shoot with Brian and see Christine because we haven't seen them in so long, literally since we did my Princess Anna shoot, which was before the pandemic. It was so long ago. So yeah, it was just really great to see them and to hang out and shoot real quick. And now I'm gonna go home, and unfortunately I didn't bring a towel, so I tracked some sand into my car, which I'm kind of bummed about. But yeah, I'm gonna go home and kind of get cleaned up and hopefully film some more stuff. And I also need to remember to eat because I've kind of been forgetting about that today. Okay, I'm vlogging while I'm walking because I'm running late. I'm also vlogging on my phone again. I am about to go get my haircut, but I'm doing it as I guess I volunteered kind of to do it with this Orbe educator. Orbe is a hair brand. And yeah, she's teaching a class, and so I'm kind of being her hair model, head model. So I am kind of scared because I don't know exactly what I'm gonna get, and I can't really choose because I'm just the model. So I'm pretty terrified actually. I didn't get much sleep last night because I was stressing out about it. But hopefully it's gonna turn out good. And I do really need a haircut, which is why I volunteered to do this. And I had like all the specifications that they were looking for. Yeah, I'm quite scared. So yeah, sorry my makeup looks kind of crazy because I had my mask on, but yep, that's it. Here is my hair, if you can see it. It feels so much lighter. I did lose quite a bit of length, but not that much, and it's so much healthier. It looks awesome, and so I'm really happy with it. I'm glad that I volunteered for this, or was volunteered, I'm not even sure at this point. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here because it's Monday and start a new one tomorrow. So thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to follow me on my other social medias. I literally have everything. Instagram, TikTok, Twitch, you know YouTube, you're watching YouTube. But yeah, literally all of them. You can follow me there. Links to everything is in the description down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!